Hey, what's going on, Cake family? And welcome back to our garnish and herb series. Now today we have the most amazing herb and one of my favorite herbs, dill. Now dill regulates diabetes. The presence of bioactive ingredient eugenol in dill leaves portray potent anti-diabetic properties which play a key role in alleviating the blood sugar levels within the body. It also promotes digestion, fortifies bone health, and remedies insomnia. Fresh dill is low in calories, yet a surprisingly good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin A. Because fresh dill has such a mild flavor, it can easily be added raw to salads without being overpowering. You can add minced dill to any salad or dressing, or garnish your favorite salads with the small sprigs of fronds. But the most known usage of fresh dill is in the production of dill pickles. Simply stated, dill is an amazing, versatile herb. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.